Hey, are you tired of dry, flavorless breasts? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make the most juiciest chicken breasts you've ever had. And today we're going to be using the Roto 360 to show you how you do that. So stay with us, stay tuned, follow along. Alright, so here I have about 4 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts I've already thawed out. Put them right in here. To that, I have some sweet Vidalia onion salad dressing. There's about half in there. We're going to use that whole thing. Got a little bit of garlic powder. Got to keep the vampires away. All right, got that cap off. Go ahead. Now you got 4 pounds of chicken breast here, so I want to use about maybe a tablespoon and a half to 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. If you had fresh garlic, you can use that too. Next, you want to get some smoky flavor in there. Smoked paprika, same thing, 2 tablespoons. Like that. A little bit of salt. And salt and pepper to taste. If you guys like more salt than pepper, then put more salt in. Anyway, got that like that. Get your hands in there and massage those breasts. Get your hand in there, play with those breasts a little bit. Now, you're going to let this sit in the refrigerator 4 hours to overnight. If you can get away with it and wait until overnight, let it go overnight. Alright, so with the magic of time and editing, it is now... Actually, I lied. I had these done the other day. I had them sitting in the refrigerator for the last 24 hours. Alright, let's put this together here. I got the spit. Put the smoke on there, and we're just gonna... It's not your relative. They always think I'm doing the relatives. I'm not doing the relatives. They don't know who these chickens belong to. Anyway, what you want to do is you want to try to cross them. One this way, one that way, one that way, and then one more like that. Take the other one, slide it right in there, and that's how it's going to look, just like that. Alright, tighten a little wing nut up. And we'll put it right inside the spit. And that's what it will look like. This is going to cook at 275 degrees. I apologize if I have to tell you. I have my smoker preset for 275. We're going to run that with the mixed competition blend. We're going to run it at 275 for 45 minutes. Or until we reach, I'll let you finish, or until we reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees to 150. Then we're going to take it and we're going to turn the smoker up to 350 degrees to get a little bit of char, and then finish these up at 165. 165. Alright folks, so again, please follow along. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. We're going to get these on the smoker now. Back in a minute. Alright folks, I just did a temperature check on these and we're about 130 degrees right now. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn the smoker up to 350 degrees. Set that. And now, I have here a 50-50 mix of apple cider vinegar and water. Spray that chicken with that. And that's just going to help lock in some flavor. And it's going to keep that chicken moist. Let it go all the way around. A couple little squirts. Now you notice I put aluminum foil underneath there. Guys, that's going to help you save the life of your tray there. Add a little bit of aluminum foil in there. It catches all the drippings. You don't have to spend hours and hours of scrubbing it. Well, here it is, guys. That looks perfect. Got some nice little crunchy ends on there, which are delicious. Like that. It is done. Internal temperature is reading around 170 degrees. Go ahead and pop this right off. Come on, get out of there. Go. There we go. All right. Look at that. Perfect. Slid right out of it. Guys, just look at the juices coming off of this thing. Let me bring you up close so you can see the juice in this. Look at how juicy that is. Have you ever had breasts that juicy? All right, guys. Now, we're going to go ahead and cut into this. Now watch this. Watch how easy and just, I mean, there's absolutely no pressure at all. Look at that. No pressure at all. It is done so tender. Look at that. It's perfect. Just perfect. Juicy, delicious. Pulls right apart. Man. Cheers, everyone. This is the best. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Do me a favor, please like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. We're getting close to that 1,000 subscribers. We're just a little over 200, or a little over 800 right now. We're just a little under 200 away from hitting that 1,000 subscriber mark. Just do me a favor, get out there and like and subscribe. Until next time, God bless and happy eats.